Oke, udah mulai belum nih? Oh, udah mulai. Oke guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi di sini di channel YouTube Anang Bidik. Hari ini kita akan main game Red Dead Redemption 2 lagi ya. Hari ini Anang Bidik mau mainnya streaming aja. Kita main tengah malam. Kita hajar aja guys. Karena siang Anang Bidik harus mencari nafkah buat anak istri. Oke, kita langsung cari misi ya. Kemana dulu nih? Good morning. Oke, good morning.
Oh, sorry, friend.
Kita lihat map dulu ya. Ini dia nih. Kita kayaknya harus ke situ deh. Uncle, paman katanya. Sana tadi ya. Oke, kita ini di camp baru ya kemarin ya. Habis kita ngerampok kereta, terus kita ke camp. Kita pindah tempat kemarin. Mana si uncle nih? Lah, tidur ya? Iya, bangun. Uncle, bangun.
Work yourself to death there, Uncle.
I was thinking.
Yeah, does it pay well?
Oh, eventually.
So, while the rest of us are busy stealing, killing, lying, fighting to try to survive, you get to think all day.
Yeah, it's a strange world we live in, Arthur Morgan.
Kalian artiin sendiri ya?
Head into town, see if we can find anything out.
Sure, I got some errands to run.
Great. Go check the horses are ready.
Benar-benar display ini benar-benar bagus. Wah, siapa ini?
Well, what you got planned?
Nothing. We'll find something for y'all to do. We always do. We're bored out of our minds. Been cooped up here for 2 weeks now.
Ternyata kita digandrungi cewek guys. Ayo, yang bebek yang mana, pilih aja pilih.
Can Miss Grimshaw spare you? What's happened to you, Arthur? 3 young, healthy women want you to take them a ride, and you're worried about house chores. Let's go.
Let's go.
You got me. Come on in.
I can't believe we're going to see civilization. Feels like weeks since we did.
Yeah.
Oh, mereka minta antar. Valentine.
Civilization. You ladies are gonna love
Oh,
it.
ini lagi hari Valentine ya?
Let's go.
Oke, jalan guys.
Up to the trees here, then take a left.
Yeah.
Mana? Sini. Wih, ngebut. Oke, lurus, belok kiri. Pelan dulu. Sana.
Ladies, that's a song.
Ih. Keren banget guys, sumpah ini keren. Mereka nyanyi. Ada rusak tuh. Oh, ada kereta juga. Yuk kita. Kenapa dia?
Is one of you going to get that fella's horse?
Oh, I got lumbago. It's very serious.
All right, I'll see what's going
Oh,
on.
kudanya lepas guys.
There you go, really. You all right there, friend?
Oh, hey, you couldn't help me get my other horse back from over there, could you? I'd really appreciate
Ayo,
it.
kita tolong dulu ya.
I'm worried this one here will bolt on me too if I leave him.
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. It's the white
Kita harus
one over
menenangkan
there.
ini guys. Kita tenangkan dulu. Oh, bukan. Sana dia.
Come here, you silly.
Ini.
Go on, Arthur.
Ayo.
Oh, there. Easy.
Ayo, sini. Tenang.
Easy. It's okay.
Ayo, cantik. Kamu bisa, cantik. Tenang. Sini, cantik. Oh, bagus banget, guys. Kudanya, guys. Iya. Kita tenangkan dulu. Oh, gede banget kudanya, guys. Nah, kan?
This way.
Kan, dapat kan? Yuk kita balikin ke keretanya, ke delmannya. Wis, keren banget gambarnya, sumpah dah. Ini tuan, ini nih udah balik nih kudanya nih.
Here you go.
You're a gentleman, sir. A gentleman.
No, not really. I was just trying to
Dia
impress
kabur
the
lagi.
women.
Oh enggak.
Well, anyway, thank you.
Oke, beres. Kita lanjutkan perjalanan. Oke, ladies, let's go.
You're turning into a regular old fairy godmother there, Arthur.
What's that supposed to mean?
That means you got a heart. A
Ah,
small
itu ada rumah tuh.
house hidden deep inside, but a
Wah,
real
kereta, guys.
And you
Udah ada
haven't
kereta,
called
guys.
one
Oh iya,
lizard.
kita rampok ya kemarin ya.
Well, Arthur, I'm proud of you.
Rem
To be
dulu.
honest, if you lot hadn't been here, I probably would have robbed him.
Well, you did.
Belok sini.
Oh, sheep.
Wah,
That uncle.
ini game nih bener-bener kayak real, guys.
This looks like a decent little town. Other people.
Oh, lihat tuh.
Look at all that snow on the mountains. Sure don't want to be back up there.
You think we should have asked Molly to come with us?
Wah, kehidupan zaman cowboy, guys. Keren banget gamenya, sumpah dah.
Or to do any real
Yuk, kita belok
work.
sini.
She's a society lady now.
Go left here, down the main street. There's always on the right. Sure, you can pick up some bounties there, Arthur.
Yes.
Heaven forbid you put your head
Kayak di film-film zaman dulu,
Oh, that's a young man's game.
zamannya cowboy.
Ooh, yes. We can get up to some mischief here, all right.
Just remember, keep a low profile.
Will you remember that, though, Arthur?
Nah,
Probably not.
Let's park up down the end there, near the stable.
kalau kita antar mereka ke sini, guys.
What's this all about?
Hop.
That's enough. All right. Here we are, just like I said. Cultural center of civilization. Man at its finest.
Uncle, what are we doing?
Well, we're gonna do what any self-respecting maniac does. Put the women to work.
With pleasure. We'll start at the saloon.
Terus kita
just stay
ngapain?
out of trouble and don't get yourselves noticed.
Right, I need to get something from the stores.
Okay, well, we'll see you at the general store when you're done.
Come on, ladies.
Ini apa nih?
We're in Paris.
Come on.
So that's
Follow
how you
uncle.
see
Oh, kita
yourself,
ikutin
is
nih.
it? A maniac?
Kita ikutin paman pemabuk ini ya.
Be known as the one-shot kid.
Okay. I'm not
Wah,
gonna.
serius nih. Gamenya nggak main-main ini, guys.
Sad man, Arthur Morgan. But I know you love me.
Desperately. You're my favorite parasite. No. Ringworm's my favorite
Oh, kita masuk.
parasite. You're my second favorite parasite.
Very funny.
I lied. Ringworm. Then rats with the plague. Then you.
Shut up. It's
Shut
this way,
up.
son. Come on.
Oke,
Morning.
kita minum dulu, guys. Uang kita ada $38.
Hell, a drop of whiskey for a start. You know, something to pass the time while we're waiting on the women.
Always thinking ahead, ain't you?
You're looking a bit tired there, Arthur. Why don't you pick up some coffee while we're here?
Plenty out on the shelves, but I got more out back.
Kita harus beli
Whiskey's
kopi
on the top shelf, nearest the door.
di sini. Ya, ini benar nih, benar. Kita beli.
Okay, if you're done, I'll meet you outside. I won't be too long.
Oke, ketemu di luar katanya. Oke. Ih, gagah banget guys kayaknya guys. Alah, kakek yang ini.
Here's to your good health, my sir. It's a funny world, you know. This time in my career, I pictured myself being married to an heiress.
Nah, kan mabuk kan?
I think I got something good.
What?
Mabuk kan?
I snuck into this fancy house, acted like a servant girl. Usually works. Someone was saying her sister was taking a trip from New York or someplace. Train full of rich tourists heading to Saint Denis and then
kenapa
cruising
ya?
off to Brazil.
Mukanya tuh khas Amerika banget guys.
Train
Bintik-bintik
laden
merah
with
begitu.
baggage and passing through a bit of deserted country at night, as to get to the docks in time for the tides in some place called Scarlet Meadows.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, it's right out near New Hanover. Right, it's real quiet out there.
Sounds good. Where's Tilly and
Oke,
Ken?
kebanyakan omong.
Nothing at the hotel. They were picking up some drunken fellas that they was gonna rob.
Why?
Seemed easy. They have been gone for quite a while.
I guess I'll go see if there's any trouble.
There's Tilly over there. That does not look ideal.
Excuse me.
Get your hands off me.
You thought I wouldn't find you, Tilly?
You can go kiss a damn snake for all I care. Get off me. Get off of me.
Apa itu orang bertengkar ya?
Been looking
Oh,
too
kita tolongin guys.
I got you now. Huh?
Get your hands off her, friend.
Who are you?
A friend of mine.
Get off her.
Nyingkir kau.
Or what exactly?
Tahu apa katanya?
We'll find out.
Mari kita cari tahu. Oke, kita hajar.
You're
Oke.
making a big mistake, Tilly Jackson.
Just get lost.
I ain't doing this.
Ya jadi guys.
With Uncle
Udah mau
Mary Beth,
fighting
they're
dah.
across the street.
Okay.
Ah, kirain mau fighting dia.
Uncle, look after her.
Oh, ini
I'm
disuruh
gonna see
masuk
about
ini.
Karen in the hotel.
Search the hotel. Sini nih, ini nih. Ini nih pintunya nih.
Can I
Nah,
help you, sir?
kan?
I do all I can manage. Are you doing all you can?
I'm looking for a girl who came in here earlier with a drunk fella, mid-20s.
Aku mencari cewek kesini mabuk.
Yeah, they're in 2B upstairs. Are you a friend of his?
A friend of hers.
Oh, di kamar 2B katanya. 2B, oke. Kita cek ya.
No trouble now, please.
Sana.
Hey! A friend of hers.
Get out of here, buddy.
Alah, kenapa dia guys?
You goddamn animal. Come here.
Oh, kita hantam langsung.
What the hell are you
Langsung
doing?
KO guys.
Trying to play him? Not very
Kita lihat dulu.
You okay?
Fine.
You sure?
Wah,
Yeah.
memar badannya guys.
Nothing to worry about, just men. But stupid bastard was boasting about the bank.
The bank?
Sure, I know small town banks are usually a waste of time, but this is a livestock town. There's lots of cash sometimes.
Okay. Keep investigating.
I will. After you. Thank you, Arthur.
Oke,
Don't
tidak
much like
masalah.
being saved, but when I have to
Oh,
do it.
bonyok dia guys.
You
Aduh,
okay?
ayam
Sure. He
bebeknya
only punched
bonyok
me.
guys.
Arthur punched him a lot harder.
All right, then.
Hey, who's that guy over there looking at us?
Weren't you in Blackwater a few weeks back?
Me? No, sir. Ain't from there.
Oh, you were. Well, I definitely saw you with a bunch of fellers.
Me? No. Impossible. Listen, buddy, come here for a minute.
I saw you.
Come here.
Come on,
Lah, kenapa dia?
I don't like this. Me neither. Go get the girls home. I'm gonna go have a word with our friend.
Be careful, Arthur.
Oh, kita kejar guys. Oke.
Yeah!
please.
Just borrowing it.
Stay away from me.
Get back here right now!
Itu dia.
We need to talk, pal.
I don't want no trouble.
That's far enough.
Oke. Dikit lagi. Hampir dapat dia, guys. Nah, kan di jurang dia. Dia jatuh sendiri. Do something katanya.
You have to help me.
Kita tanya dulu.
Why are you telling lies about me?
No. I got it wrong, partner. I got it very wrong. Now please help me up.
I ain't never been in Blackwater.
Then why are you chasing me?
I've got an
Kita apakan
unfortunate
nih, guys?
Yes, me
Kita
too.
injak aja ya tangannya.
Now please pull me up. Please. Just pull me up. Come on.
Oh, mau jatuh dia tinggi, guys. Kita tolong apa kita jatuhin ya? Kita tolong aja. Kita orang baik di sini, guys.
Come on.
Nih, selamat kan?
You okay, partner?
No. No, I am not. I'm a mess.
Well, you ain't dead.
There is
Kamu hampir mati.
Jimmy Brooks.
Jimmy Brooks.
I think it's best for both of us if we pretend this never happened.
Well, I agree. You saved my life. You're a good man, and here. You want a pen? It's one of them steel ones.
Wah, kita dikasih pulpen sama dia.
That's very kind of you. But I'm not a good man, Jimmy Brooks. Not usually.
Aku bukan orang
See,
baik, Jimmy Brooks.
I was in Blackwater. I killed people.
Aku
And
membunuh
maybe I
orang.
should have killed you. Should I have killed you, Jimmy Brooks?
Me? I never saw you. Not now, not never. I think we have an understanding.
Of course we do. Jimmy Brooks. I will remember that. I've got a good memory.
I haven't. I haven't.
Oke, kita
Not
tidak
one
pernah
lick,
ketemu ya.
Not 1 cent in this here old mine.
Apa tadi?
Come on. Have a nice day now, sir.
Bisa diambil, guys. Tanaman. Wortel. Oke.
All right, girl.
Gimana ya tempat tadi ya?
Yeah.
Sini ya kalau nggak salah. Oh, ini. Kita lewat peternakan tadi ya. Bener apa enggak ya? Udah kesasar ini.
Hey, what the hell?
Gimana ya tadi ya? Kita cari kotanya, guys. Kita mau balik ke tempat tadi.
Come on. Give a fella a nickel. Give me a dime. Give me something.
Lewat sini.
Watch where you're going.
Watch.
Mana ya hotel tadi ya?
You got a problem? What is it?
Ini tempat kita tadi, guys. Oh, mereka udah pergi. Oke lah, oke.
Hello.
Kita mampir dulu sini.
We got a wild one here.
Oh, ini mereka, guys.
All right, there we go. Oh, Arthur, come here. Come over here. I want you to meet our friends.
Bukan ini.
Nice to meet you.
Well, ain't you just a tough as teak mountain man?
Oh, you be quiet, Anastasia. Anyone can tell this one is a pussy cat.
Exactly. Yes, he's a pussy cat. Ain't that so, Arthur?
Whatever you say. How much you cost, anyway?
Well, ain't that a nice way to talk to a lady?
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a lady.
Excuse me.
Nah, mereka pergi guys.
You got a fine way with the women, amigo.
Yeah, regular dandy and a charmer. Where's Bill?
Oh, man. I dread to think about it. Hey, hey, hey. There he is.
Watch where you're going. Take it
Are you about to kiss that guy or punch him?
Oh, and we have our answer.
Iya, perang guys. Guys, kok nyerang? Sini lo, hah? Sini kau. Wah, waduh banyak kita guys. Jangan sampai kalah. Oke, ajar terus. Iya.
You boys made a big mistake.
Ini topi kita.
Come on, Arthur, hit someone.
Ini lagi nih berdua nih. Oh, ini nih yang punya bar ini. Dia kuat guys. Iya. Rasakan kau. Sip, jep. Iya. Wah, dia kuat guys. Astaga, kita kalah guys. Iya. Masa jagoannya kalah. Ayo sini. Sini kau. Wah, dia kuat banget guys. Iya, kesempatan. Oke. Tangkis, kita tangkis. Waduh. Ayo, lepaskan. Langsung. Ya, kuat banget ya guys. Rasakan. Ayo, semangat. Cakep guys, oke. Langsung pukul dibuka, pukul. Iya. Oh, kayak real guys. Berani lo, hah?
Stop, please, I beg you, stop. Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
What business is it of yours?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you.
Kenapa dia? Nah kan encok kan?
Making new friends again, I see, Arthur.
Look who we found sniffing about. Josiah Trelawney.
The very same.
Well, I thought you'd gone to New York.
And miss all this glamour. You must be joking.
How are you?
Well, quite well indeed. I went to Blackwater looking for you gentlemen. You're not very popular there, it seems. Ah, Javier and Charles. I've missed you. And Bill looking as well as can be. Gentlemen, always a pleasure.
You're right. We ain't too popular in Blackwater. We left a lot of money.
Jangan lupa ngopi, guys.
Sean, it seems.
Sean, you found him.
Yes, I have. He's being held by some bounty hunters, trying to see how much money the government will pay them. I know he's in Blackwater, but there's talk of them moving.
Skip. Kelamaan ngomongnya. Terus mana lagi? Salah pencet. Ngapain juga? Kita naik kuda dulu. Topi kita hilang lagi kan? Oh, kita harus ke tempat kuda katanya. Tempat kuda di mana ya? Ini nih dia nih. Ini bukan ya? Tour house. Bukan. Udah, kita menuju ke salah satu misi deh. Sini dulu ya. Waypoint. Oke. Oke, kita tancap gas.
Mister.
Sini ada apa nih? Ada tanda tanya, guys. Oke, kita masuk dulu ya.
Damn way. You blind?
Come on,
Oh,
sir. Try
suruh
to
beli minum
remember.
kita.
What really happened at Sylvia's Saloon back in '76?
Just a lot of bunk, Plato. It's just a lot of bunk.
It's not bunk, Mr. Calloway, sir. It's history.
Who's your friend there?
Put that in your fucking book, Plato.
This is Jim Boy Calloway. The Jim Boy Calloway.
Who?
The gunslinger. Fastest left-handed draw that ever drew breath. He once killed 14 men in a fight at Lucy Hollow.
Mabuk si Amang.
How do you mean?
Well,
Ini bener-bener
I
kayak
reckon right
real,
now,
guys.
kill him yourself.
I don't want to kill him.
Grafiknya
I want to
bener-bener deh.
deify him. He's a god. I'm trying to write his biography.
And how's that going?
I think I prefer the duel. Either I'd kill him and be able to be Baltimore's finest ever gunslinger, or he'd kill me and I could be set free from ever having to speak to him again.
Well, you're starting to understand something very important.
What's that?
The joys of gunslinging. It's win-win, freedom or glory.
That's brilliant. I'm going to write that down, if I may.
Be my guest.
What's your name?
I don't have a name.
But you are
Aku
a
tidak punya nama,
gunslinger.
katanya.
Not really. I mean, folks who need shooting, I try and shoot in the back. All that other stuff.
Skip aja.
Well,
Banyakan ngomong dia. Apa ini?
careful, big man.
Kita lanjut ke misi, guys. Kalau main game ini kita mata kita dimanjakan banget deh. Kayaknya pengen lama-lama aja main. Awas ketabrak. Ini juga. Kita kasih makan dia, guys. Apa ya buat kasih makan kuda ya? Oh, ini. Tuh, makan tuh. Salah jalan. Habis tenaganya. Banyak kuda. Bisa ditangkap enggak ya? Salah Arthur. Ayo kita belok. Balik ke camp ya? Ini dia nih.
Jose,
you want to go hunting?
Oh, berburu kita, guys.
an elephant?
I wish. No, I saw a huge bear. One of the biggest I ever saw. I reckon nearly 1,000 pounds.
Beruang, guys.
But you need me to come with you.
Of course. Let's go.
Where are we heading exactly?
Up near the Dakota River. Might take a day or two.
I could do with a break from this place.
Oh, me too. It's been a rough couple of weeks. You need anything?
I don't think so. I got all I need.
Let's go then.
Oke, kita berburu
So
beruang,
you still ain't
guys.
replaced Boadicea?
Nah.
Keren ini, keren.
She was quite a horse. This one's okay, but ain't no Boadicea.
Habis ini lo
I've been
kopinya,
meaning to
guys.
offload this big Shire horse for a while now. Unruly bastard.
Where'd you get him?
Some big, loudmouth bastard tried to rob me. Was out riding, so I... Well, you know how it is.
I see.
Oke, kita langsung berangkat ya.
Okay. But I do kind of like this horse.
There's nothing wrong with...
Apa ini?
Two horses, and the stables always have the best one.
Terus ini.
I guess you're right.
Kita makan.
This is going to be fun, Arthur.
You won't throw me?
No, he's an angel. If I'm near him.
Nasty little look in his eyes.
Oh, don't be rude about this magnificent creature.
Ini kan ya. Lima saddle.
What's taking so long with this saddle?
Oh, kita pakai kuda yang hitam,
Put your
guys.
saddle on him and let's go.
Just get this
Iya.
adjusted, boy.
Topi kita hilang lagi kan?
Leg over that brute.
Okay, boy. Easy, big fella.
All right.
Kemana?
let's head
Kemana?
into town. No bar fights, please. I heard about that.
I'll do my best.
We're heading out. Might be gone a couple of days. They got a good range of horse tack at the Valentine stables. Some beautiful saddles. I used to have a real nice one.
Oh, kiri.
What happened to that?
Got stolen outside that saloon in Deer Creek.
Ah, I remember now. Just about. That turned into a long day.
Yes. Remember? Mac went crazy.
Nabrak
The
dia.
whole town. And Davy was passed out so cold we left him there. Came back in the next day and he woke up, started right back drinking again.
I miss those boys.
Jenny, too. She had some spark, that girl.
Ayo.
Must be
Ngebut.
pretty hard on Lenny. You could tell he was sweet
Wah,
on
di
her.
atas tebing, guys.
Lenny and Jenny could never have worked. That's like Arthur and Martha, or Bill and Phil.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Does feel a bit like our luck died with them, too.
Nonsense. We'll be all right. Just need some money.
Mana kita ini nyari beruang ya?
I hope so. You found
Beneran
a way to
beruang
offload
kali ya?
those Cornwall bonds
Kita
yet?
ajak kabur kemarin cuma beruang.
They're still very hot. Need to be done right.
Lurus
I
ya.
have a couple of leads I'm looking into. Don't let that big bastard get the better of you there, Arthur.
Hey, he's all right.
Wah, grafiknya, guys. Ayo, belum main ini, mainin, guys. Nggak rugi kalian. Nah, ini Valentine tadi nih.
All right. Go sell that big brute. Buy yourself a horse.
Okay.
I'm going off to the general store.
Harus di stable kan dulu nih, stabilkan.
Meet you back here in a bit.
Hey, how can I help you?
I'm in the market for a new horse. Something strong and fast.
Yeah, well, you're in the right place. I got some beauties in at the moment. Yeah. And what about this one here? Yeah, you looking to sell?
I ain't sure yet.
You got papers?
No. No papers.
Well, of course, that's going to affect what I can pay. But your luck's in. I got a fella who's been looking for a decent workhorse like this for a while. He'll pay a good price. Otherwise, I can always stable him here for you. Here, take a look.
Oh, sementara kita menstabilkan kuda ini. Saya stabilkan ya. Oke, nah baru kita harus beli kuda yang lain. Uang kita 31. Wah, ini kuda yang tadi nih. Nah, ini wah, ototnya guys. Uang kita nggak cukup. Nah, ini masa kita pakai kuda kecil ini ya. Apa ini namanya, kuda kecil nih ya? Keledai, biar dah kedelai dah. Salah, keledai. Oke. Terus diapain nih? Saddle-nya. Hah, 65. Nggak ada uang guys. Nantilah. Apple, carrot. Oh, ini makanannya nih. Horse stimulant. Ini satu. Ini. Terus. Udah. Habis uang kita guys.
Alright, partner. You got yourself a deal. And a fine new horse.
I hope so.
Well, I don't sell anything other than good animals. You have my word on that. All right, let's see. Here are your papers. And on
Ini surat-suratnya.
new grooming brush. And some treats.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. All right, you treat this fella well. I know he's gonna look after you just fine.
Interesting choice.
Oh, kita bawa keluar dulu.
How much did you pay for that thing?
Not that much.
Okay, well, with some good care, you should be able to make something of it.
Iya.
All
Kecil
right, let's
banget
get
kuda
going.
kita guys.
We got quite a ride ahead of us.
Lead the way. So, what's this lake we're heading?
Aneh banget ngeliatnya.
It's called O'Creagh's Run, up in the mountains east of Cumberland Falls. I just hope I can remember how to
Wih,
get
tapi bisa ngebut juga dia guys.
Back into the mountains.
Boleh.
Figure on that.
But this time, we're doing the chasing. So how are things with you and John?
Wih, keren banget guys.
Ain't it about
Dia lari-lari tuh kayak real banget
It was a year.
guys.
He ditched us for a goddamn year.
I've spoken to him many times. He knows he did wrong. He just wants to put it behind him.
Tuh lumpur-lumpur
He does.
bekas kelahi tadi masih banyak guys di tubuhnya guys.
Kid is one thing, but there's cold.
Real banget
He
ini
knows
game ini.
that. He ain't
Apa tuh?
slow on it. Dutch and you pretty much raised him.
I know, but it's done. Has been for a while now.
Wih. Keren.
Okay, I think we need to head right up here. Yes, I remember this place. Moonstone Pond. We're going the right way.
ke gunung, guys.
That's the lake there. Good. We made it. Let's loop around the other side. Ha.
Okay.
Where do you think Mike and Lenny got to? Susan sent them out scouting. I figure they'd be back by now.
I have no idea. I hope they weren't picked up.
Why she sent Mike? I don't
Wah, pemandangannya guys.
In his own way.
Bener-bener dah.
Got a good head on his shoulders.
Kelewatan ini Rockstar bikin game kayak gini nih.
No, but no point thinking the worst.
Tuh kita lewatin tuh.
Rabbits.
Oh, semak-semaknya tuh.
Catch one to cook.
Sure.
Berasa tuh guys. Tuh.
You don't want to use anything too powerful on a
Terus
small
stop di sini.
animal like that.
Kemana?
Just ruin the meat. Best thing's a bow or a 22 caliber varmint rifle.
I have hunted rabbits before, you know.
Yes, and obliterated them with a shotgun if I remember right.
Hunt or rabbit. Kita berburu ini. Kelinci. Ah, bukan. Panah dong. Gimana ya? Oke, pelan-pelan. Ah, itu ada tuh. Kena kan? Mudah aja guys. Ih, dikoyak sama dia. Terus. Oke. Kita bawa juga nih, dagingnya bisa dimakan ini.
Good job. All right. It's getting late. Reckon we should camp here.
Sure.
Well, then you get us set up.
Terus kita disuruh ngapain? Alt tab R. Oh, ini. Oh, tidur. Oh, bikin camp kita di sini.
Cook that rabbit then. They're delicious on an open fire.
Kita harus masak ininya, lincinya guys. Iya, kita bakar-bakar dulu. Oke, ini deh. Keren guys. Kita makan.
You want some of this?
No, I'm fine.
Enak banget.
I don't like eating this late.
Okay.
Satu aja. Oh, masak lagi satu. Oke.
After all that.
Itu simpan aja deh. Sudah ini, terus.
Alright. Well, we better get some rest.
Oh, kita harus tidur guys. Oke. Sleep. Sampai pagi.
He better be worth all this drama.
Enak banget ya. Tidurnya di alam terbuka guys. Wah, ini udah bangun. Pagi Arthur.
Oh, give me
Siap.
a minute.
Coffee?
Sure.
There you go.
Sangat panas pegang bawahnya.
So, what's your plan?
Well,
Perencana
we'll
lo.
see if we can track him, but we might need to lay bait to draw him out. Bears like fish, obviously, but they also have a sweet tooth. A lot of fellas bait then shoot from the trees, but I prefer to hunt on the ground. More dangerous, but we'll have a much better chance of getting a good shot in. And if he bolts, we can start right off after him. Can you mix up this bait for me while I finish packing this up? Fish?
Nah, kita dikasih makanan
Tie it
kaleng,
up in
guys.
that rag when you're done.
I hope you know what you're talking about.
I
Crab
grew up
atau
in the
kok
mountains,
katanya?
Arthur. I
Mana
was
diapain ya?
virtually weaned on bears.
Crab.
Okay, I think I got this done.
Good. Pack up and we'll get going.
Skip. Leave.
Come on,
Leave.
grab your stuff and let's go. Okay, let's go.
Mount your horse. Oke guys, kita sudah hampir 1 jam main. Jadi kita lanjutkan di lain waktu ya. Amang-Anang mau pamit dulu tidur karena udah malam banget. Gak kuat sudah mata Amang ya. Jangan lupa yang belum subscribe, segera di subscribe, like and share video ini ya, biar kita main game terus bareng. Oke guys, Amang pamit dulu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.